Ever stared at a cloud bill and wondered where all your budget vanished? Over-provisioned EC2 instances, underutilized reserved instances, and spot fleets that feel more like a gamble than a strategy? You're not alone. Our pack arms you with right-sizing calculators that analyze CloudWatch metrics to pinpoint wasted capacity, reserved instance playbooks that automate discount tracking across AWS accounts, spot fleet blueprints with auto-scaling policies for batch jobs, and budget alert templates that integrate with PagerDuty. Whether you're a cloud architect wrestling with sprawl, a DevOps engineer automating cost governance, or a FinOps analyst chasing ROI, this is your toolkit. Spoiler alert, your CFO will start wondering if you cloned yourself to save time. Here's what's inside the Cloud Cost Optimization Pack. Right-sizing calculators that cross-reference instance types with utilization history. Reserved instance optimization modules with RI coverage reports and purchase recommendation APIs. Spot fleet implementation blueprints featuring instance weighting and interruption handling. Budget alert automation templates connected to Slack and Grafana. Cost allocation tagging strategies for Kubernetes clusters. Usage forecasting models trained on your historical data. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your new operating system for cloud economics. Installing the Cloud Cost Optimization Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Cloud Cost Optimization Pack. That's it. You'll download the entire workflow: right-sizing calculators, RI playbooks, spot fleet blueprints, and all 14 automation templates. No mysterious config files or partial installs, just pure, unadulterated cloud cost magic. Your next Claude code session picks up the pack automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent, reserved instance pricing Tier 3. Even your coffee machine will get jealous of how smoothly your budgets run. Ready to turn cloud spend into cloud swagger?